Welcome back, folks. My name is Checkmate, and today I come back with another trade. This is a scalp trade on XLM. I put this trade on my breakout account, which is a breakout is a firm, it's a prop firm that funds you to trade after you pass an evaluation. I'm a funded trader. I've been a funded trader since this August 2024, and I'm not a professional trader. I'm just learning and documenting my journey um, as I become more profitable, consistent, and successful. So far, I have taken one payout for about $4,500. You can see the record here, payout history, uh, for about 5,000. But I only take 90% of that profit because they take 10%. My client payout was 4,500, and I still have available to withdraw about 6.3k. With that being said, um, here's the trade. This is the one that we're going to talk about today. This is one I had entered somewhere here, but I exited the trade, so there's nothing open right now. The latest trade that I talked about was this one, so now we're going to talk about this one and why I entered the trade. Alright, so on the 1 hour chart, what I saw was two trend lines. It was a support zone and a trend line resistance zone, and I saw that they were both coming to an end, whether it was going to break support or break resistance. And I utilized market cipher B from CryptoFace to determine the direction of the price. My profit target was conservative because I was just scalping, and I wasn't sure. I kind of felt like it was gonna keep going up, but I don't want to take the risk, so I figured it was gonna do something like this, like that. But what ended up happening was something else. With that being said, my entry in this trade was somewhere in this candle, about 43.60. It was a two positions about that point. So it was one trade, but it was split into two positions. That's what I mean. So let's go ahead and take a look at why I took this trade based on market cipher B. So here we have the money flow. It's in the red. We always buy in the red, and it's curving to the upside now. We also have this RSI green, and they're tight and they're low, and they're starting to want to be moving up. The VWAP is also giving us bullish divergences. We have an anchor VWAP, a trigger VWAP, and it's coming up. We have a momentum bullish divergence, which is prices going down as momentum keeps going up. So we have that going on, anchor, trigger, divergence. That was the 1 hour time frame, and then we moved on to the 30-minute time frame to continue to find confluence among time frames with market cipher. We also saw that that bullish divergence is still there. We have this nice rounded wave of momentum waves. We have an anchor, trigger, Bitboy green dots. Money flow is curving. If you pinch it a little bit, you can kind of see it, a little bit curve. RSIs are coming up. They're a little gapped, but I was willing to take the play just because we were at this key level. The 20-minute time frame also looked similar to the 30-minute, but it looked a little more nice and round and sharp. We have the anchor wave with a trigger wave, another trigger wave, momentum, money flow is coming up, RSIs are coming up. We establish a new higher high on this momentum wave. The VWAP is not curved, it's kind of jagged, so it's good for our purpose. The 15-minute, same thing. So as you can notice, the 15, 20, 30-minute, they have a similar pattern on market cipher B, and that's what we want. For a confident trade, we want market cipher B to be consistent among time frames. So we have that there. 10-minute, even more beautiful. We have a bunch of Bitcoin green dots. We have bullish divergences since this area. It's kind of forming a rounding bottom right here. We have money flow still coming up. We have a bullish money flow divergence. Momentum waves are getting higher. VWAP is inwardly curved. So everything's looking good so far. And so I took that trade because of, markets FRB, this key zone. And I went away. I think this trade was about 3 hours. It was late. No, it was more than 3 hours, but it was late. It was late at night, and I was already tired. So, so I set a stop. A take profit and a stop loss, and I went to bed. And here's what happened. All right. As you can see, this wick took almost hit my take profit, like barely almost hit it, right? And this was about 11:50 p.m. my time. So I live in LA, so it's almost midnight. And that happened. I didn't notice. I was sleeping. When I woke up, we were at about this candle, which was about midnight. And I saw that, and I saw this wick, and I was like, oh shit. I was all dizzy. So I got my phone, and I was like, oh, my take profit probably hit, so let me go check. So I went to check, and my take profit didn't get triggered on breakout. And I saw this wick, price was going down, and it came back up, and I was like, all right, it might just do this. So I was like, all right, whatever. I'll take the money because it was to me, it was close enough to the target. So I took profit somewhere here, somewhere in this candle, and then I went back to bed. And then more price action played out. Boom. All right, so all of this happened. This is where I exited, and then this happened right after. So that doesn't matter to me because my target was here. I took profits here because of this wick. So I guess it was a successful trade. I made about 1.3k US dollars. It was a couple of hours. It was a nice scalp, and that allowed me to take my first payout, which was good. And yeah. So yeah, that's it. I mean, that's why I took the trade. That's why I exited the trade. And I hope this helps someone learning Market Cipher. And with that being said, until next time.